Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Sometimes we face a lot of problems while accessing some websites, so clearing out the cache from Google Chrome helps a lot, and it is a very simple process. Yet we don't do it unless we see it. So let's get started. Open up Chrome. At the top right corner, you see 3 dots. Click on that. Then we need to go to More Tools. Now here we have many options. Go to Clear Browsing Data. Once we are here, we will get a window like this, which will have Basic and Advanced. Now I would recommend going to Basic, and from here, you can select the time range. For example, all time, last 24 hours, last 7 days. Once you are satisfied with the time range, and you do not want to delete your browser history, that's fine. You can uncheck that. Removing cookies and cache will definitely help. So once you select that, if it's not already selected, just click on Clear Data. I have just removed 199 megabytes of cache in my Chrome browser. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.